Problem 1. Maria has 4 more movie passes than Tony. Angela has half as many passes as Maria. The 3 girls have a total of 21 movie passes. Which equation can be used to find how many movie passes Tony has? So our girls are Maria, Tony, and Angela. Maria has 4 more movie passes than Tony, so it's Tony plus 4. Angela has half as many passes as Maria. Because we want this in terms of Tony, we'll let Tony equal x. Because Tony is in Maria's equation as well, that will become x plus 4. And Angela's equation in terms of x would be 1/2 of Maria, who is x plus 4. If we add all of those together, we're looking for an equation that has an x plus 4 plus an x plus a 1/2 times x plus 4. F does not have all of those. G has x, x plus 4 and half of x, but not half of x plus 4. H has each one of our girls in terms of x, and J does not have x plus 4, so H would be the answer. Problem 2. The graph below shows triangle XYZ and similar triangle X prime Y prime Z prime. Which statement is true when transforming triangle XYZ to triangle X prime Y prime Z prime? Because our triangles are similar, their angles must be congruent. So on F, when it says all the corresponding angles will increase by a multiple of 3, that is incorrect because they must be the same. On G, when it says all the corresponding angles will increase by a scale factor of 1/3, that is also incorrect because they must be congruent. So now we have H and J, which are referring to the sides. Okay, XYZ is our smaller triangle. X prime Y prime Z prime is larger. So if we want to change from XYZ to X prime Y prime Z prime, we want to multiply by a bigger number. So instead of a scale factor of 1/3, we would want 3. So H would be the correct answer.